just got into the car and I'm going to my filming place, which is up there. It's just a few minutes from here, but on the way I'm gonna stop by Aeon to go to Mr. DIY and maybe Eco Shop because I need to get more of those shopping bags, grocery bags. Sekarang ni I guna yang IKEA punya yang kecil, yang paling kecil because I like the size of it because I can separate all my groceries, yang basah, yang kering and whatnot. Most of them are gone by now. I think satu or dua, itu pun dah koyak-koyak. And I haven't had time to go to IKEA again lately. So I'm just going to Eco Shop to get these cute grocery bags. It's the shape of the IKEA bags, tapi dia ada cartoons on it. It's so cute. So I'll show you guys that one later. So I'm gonna get a few, like 6 of them maybe, because I am responsible for the groceries of my entire family household. And sometimes when it's that time when I buy everything I want to go, I will need like at least 6 of the bags. Sometimes it's more. So yeah, we're gonna get that. And I might stop by Mr. DIY to get a brush for the bottle brush, but I just threw away mine because it was looking so nasty. I need to throw it and get a new one from Mr. DIY. And while we're at it, I think I'm gonna look for a dry brush, like the body dry brush. I don't know if they have it, but we'll see if they do. If not, I will have to buy it off Shopee. Other than that, yeah, we'll see what I'll get, and I might do a little haul after this. Bye. So we are currently at Aeon. Okay, we just arrived at Aeon. I just got a parking. Mr. DIY, Eco Shop, maybe to Watson or Guardian to see if they have the Kundal BT21. I don't know if it's new or not because recently they lalu my FYP Kundal X Mang, or is it the entire BT21? I don't know, I nampak yang Mang je. So we're gonna see if they have it. I'm thinking of getting Zeus today because my app just popped up and they are having this Zeus buddy. This week is anxiety and I'm feeling a little bit FOMO. I'm not gonna get the whole entire collection like last time because they are basically just the same characters, but I'm feeling a little bit FOMO today. So maybe I'm going to get myself just one for the vibe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a few more stuff from Mr. DIY. I have made a mental list of it, so let's hope I don't forget it. And yeah, I'll be back. First up, it's Mr. DIY. Let's go. I haven't been here for quite some time, so let's see. Look at this. They have a lot of Stitch merch, a lot of back charms, so cute. Oh my god, I love this one so much. They also have this cute ball of fur, and look at this one, it's like a hand towel. But what I really want is this one. Okay, I dropped it. Let's do this again. I want this one. So cute, but it's, how much is it? 49. These are really nice. It's iridescent. So pretty. Okay, let's focus. This is what I wanted. This type of brushes for the cups. This is cute. It's rainbow. I'm very tempted to get the rainbow ones, or maybe this one. I dapat the whole set. Maybe this one. Let's go. I need something for my car. I'm looking for a vanilla-ish scent. I'm taking this one. This is vanilla. Let's try the cute ones. Okay, I need one of this. Yeah, because mine is broken. I'm gonna get this one. It looks promising. Yeah, it looks promising. So these are the one I want. They have 2 colors, pink and blue. Then I'm gonna take 4 pink and 4 blues. Yeah, let's do that. Zeus Buddy 1. You have a boba, pink boba, pinky boba. It's so Colorado. Okay, right now I need to go to Watson's because I lost my ride or die lip balm. Let's go. So I'm here at the lip balm and I think it's that one and it's not in stock. No, this one. It's the Mentalatum lip melty, so they don't have it here. I'm gonna check next door. Guardian and see if they have. The one. Yes. Difference. Yes. Okay, the honey one. I'll be wanting this one. I'm thinking about food meal, urban basket. I don't think basket. So I got back from my errands. I went to Eco Shop and I got the shopping bags I needed. Then I went to DIY. I didn't find the dry brush, but I did get the bottle brush, so that's a tick. And then I got a few other stuff that was necessary. Then I went to Zeus. I was checking out if they had the Zeus buddies, but they don't anymore. It's out of stock. So I just got myself a green tea latte. I wanted almond milk, but they didn't have, so I changed it to oat milk and 0-calorie sugar. It's 0-calorie sugar. I remember I needed my lip balm because I lost it. I got mine, but this one is slightly different. This one is honey flavor, I think. It's like my ride or die lip balm because it really helps with my dry lips. But look at my lips right now. It's really dry. Now I need to fetch my niece and nephews and go to my family place.